Hello, how are you? My name is Olga Lucia Lopez Rocha. Unit 3, Task 5, Technological component with the English B2. With wastewater treatment, we can carry environment safe our planet. I am concerned about the responsible consumption of resources and the conservation of the environment. That is why I want to talk about fundamental resources such as water, air, and wastewater treatment. It's essential because less than 1% of that water or air can be cancelled. In addition to that, climate change increasingly affect the water supply, which longer droughts and greater scarcity. The treatment of wastewater to take care of the environment is very important and capture of reason the water we capture solve. Thus, once it purified and when it will serve as clean water or and thus the very leaf that send cuts the mess to flora and fauna. Fauna due to that waste its question. Objectives. Ensure availability of water as sustainable management and sanitation to preserve life. Instruction. Carry of case water, treatment and home. In our particular case, we can also do our. In our bid, it's conserving water and home. For this, there are so-called system of recycling of grey water, treatment of domestic wastewater, use of rainwater, carry of grey water, treatment, home. They are those that come, for example, from shower and sip. This water is not drinkable, but it can be used for something such as the bathroom system. In this way, we save drinking water at $10 or if so. Let's consumption us be undoubted. Perform domestic wastewater treatment through use of and home. Treatment plant. The water can be made during hour. Again, this not only allows saving in the payment of the service but also a shares independence of the drinking water supply. For example, as is the case of service could take advantage of wastewater. Install a wastewater harvesting system from a roof. It is possible to collect, purify, and use that rainwater from home for other use such as washing clothes, bathing, cleaning, wastewater treatment, essential for thus conserve scarcity and the value of the resource incident of climate change and drought that its intentional water management must be the central point of the agenda of our government, companies, and individuals in our city of Ibagué West is el gravity aqueduct. Each ties when they suspend. That service of water and out of that comes with my result. This is the result of my effort to preserve the sustainable resource and contribution to the environment conserve water sources but saving and using rainwater for various uses. Thank you.